Alright guys, we're back. So here's what we're gonna do today. I want to get this car started. So battery terminals, these are the grounds. We have to make a positive, and then exhaust manifold has to be reattached, so we have to clean all this up. And yeah, we have to reattach the alternator and AC drive belt. And yeah, and then I want us to clean these grounds, reattach the plug wires. The spark plugs are actually really new. Let's check this. Yeah, I did buy this new just before the car broke down. So we're just gonna clean the housing up. So yeah, man, let's do this. Right guys, so I wanted us to remove the air intake first. So we're gonna start with the filter, which is right here. Just gonna grab that guy and pull him out. Alright, there's a sensor right here. So I'm gonna put, oh god, put that here. Here's our problem. Rats, guys. Yo, rats. I have to get a vacuum cleaner out here and get all the stuff out. Hold up. The air filter's out. That's the battery tray. We're gonna have to clean all this out and ensure that it's all spotless. Yeah, but otherwise it's not bad. Everything else is still good. The rubber seals still feel like rubber, so nothing I need to replace. This gasket feels good. I just need to clean it, just reattach back here. And then I want to show you guys something. We have a bit of a problem. This is the external fuse box, the relay and fuse box. It broke from this mounting tab right here. Right, so it broke from that mounting tab. See that? Yeah, I'm just getting my hand over it so you can see properly. And then this is where it broke off. So I had a plan. Let me show you. This is my plan. Cut up some of this metal, attach it here, basically from where it broke off, maybe here nyana, and then boom, back there. So basically drill holes, or use these existing holes, but I think I'm just gonna make new holes. So we're just gonna make it attach back here. So I'm just gonna remove the thick bit, this thick bit. So we got a piece of metal. I decided to take the thicker one instead because this one was a little too thin and it's a little mangled. So taking this one, straighten it out, and then I just wanted to show. Before we do that though, we have to remove the actual broken one. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Cool, so this is the one hole we have to make is for this. Then I think we're gonna take this plastic bit because it actually does kind of create a bit of a protrusion, and this is all flat. See, so we're just gonna take this bit of plastic here. Yeah. Okay guys, so I managed to make it look pretty. Have a look. Well, it's not pretty, but yeah, anyway, this will mount onto here, and then this is what's gonna attach back onto the car with that, and then there will be two holes here and here, and this will attach back onto the fuse box. Yeah, but I'll show you once it's all done. Let me just combine all this. Right, we've done the drilling, guys. Here's our piece of metal. This is the whole, well, here it is. Actually, let me just show you and then install it, and then we'll talk about it. We've made our first hole on the fuse box. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some sealant on this hole as well so that we don't get any water ingress or anything like that. So I'm gonna get some Victorines and put it on here now. Guys, have a look. I made it. We used a self tapper on the bottom, and then we used a bolt-on nut on the top, and now this, see, and then now we can have it to where it needs to mount, and then it'll sit properly like that. Nice, ne? Let me just cut that little ear off. But yeah, man, maybe I cut that too, but jank, but damn, it'll work. Okay guys, so before we attach this, I wanted us to solve this. This is a grounding point. The cable's fine. I just want us to use this here. I don't know, this was me a couple of years ago. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, we're gonna undo that and then just redo the proper line. Okay, our ground's been done. Now we attach this baby. So let me do that now, guys. Alright, here it is. Here it is, guys. The mount is in, properly secure. Good. Boom. And the grounding point, that's already solid. So we're done here. Now it's time to tackle battery terminals, this situation, and then we gotta wash the airbox, and then put in the filter, and then exhaust manifold. Those, honestly, I can just put these in now, but I just want to clean the tips. Guys, fire gum time. I'm gonna apply this on the exhaust manifold, and then we're gonna put it back on the car and then bolt these back up, and then we'll have the exhaust manifold on, and then we do the belt, oil, start the car. Liberal application of the fire gum, and then now I'm gonna attach the exhaust manifold. Guys, we're very close. Fire gum done, exhaust manifold is on. I'm about to just replace the the oil filter. We're gonna put some oil in the engine. I've already done the alternator drive belt tension and all. We're ready, man. Then we're gonna install the battery, and then we're gonna give our first start, and then we're gonna play Baby Shark for the baby. The battery stand, then our intake. Water. The rubber's still very supple though, I'll be honest, yo guys. But still gotta remove these bits. But after this, we'll be solid. I think it's time for this. We're gonna make a video about how to secure all this. I'm still trying to figure out how to secure this battery, but right now it just sits. So we'll figure it out, we'll make a video about it, and then yeah, man. Yeah, so last part of the puzzle. Gonna install these and start the car. We're ready. We're a step closer. Dipsticks in, man. And now oil filter change. Clean that now. Filter, it's already been oiled a bit, so we install. Hand tightening, guys. That is all you need. Please. The air filter back on. I forgot to show you guys. I actually cleaned the throttle body 2 years ago. But anyway, let's put this back on and then start this damn thing. Wow. Last few checks, everything's intact. That's connected. Negative terminal's not connected. Belt's good, tension's good. Grounds are done. Let's get some oil in this engine. Guys, everything's done. Even our oil level is good. Well, I did check it before, but yep, it's right on the F, sorry. But yeah, man, we're ready. Right. We've got power. I'm gonna try to immobilize it. Oh yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a shot. 1, 2. Guys, I'm gonna turn it off. Alright. So guys, here's why I cut the clip. The oil pressure light wasn't going away. Alright. She's on, guys. Smoke. Now that's just some oil burn off. It's fine. But she's on, guys. She is on and she is idling okay. Idling really, really well, actually. Shucks, man. I did it. Damn. I did it.